In this video, we are going to solve this beautiful math problem, which is that if x is equal to 1 over 2 plus root 3 and y is equal to 1 over 2 minus root 3, then we have to find the value of this term 1 over x plus 1 plus 1 over y plus 1. Let's start the solution. Pause the video and give it a try. Solution. Instead of directly putting these values of x and y in this term, we have to simplify the values of x and y, because if we put directly these values into this expression, the question will be very complex. To make it simple, we will simplify the values of x and y. Then how we simplify these values? X is equal to 1 over 2 plus root 3, and this can be written as multiply 2 minus root 3 and divided by 2 minus root 3. Alright, now this can be written as 2 minus root 3 divided by 2 plus root 3 into 2 minus root 3, and then this formula is similar to the difference of squares. We can simplify this formula like this: 2 minus root 3 over 2 square minus root 3 square. Okay, we know that a square minus b square is equal to a plus b and a minus b, a plus b times a minus b. So in the same way we have used this formula. Alright, okay, now we can write 2 minus root 3 divided by 2 square is 4 minus this square can be cancelled with the square root, so we can write 3. So we get the answer 2 minus root 3. This is the value of x. Okay, in the next step we will have to simplify the value of y. Y is equal to 1 over 2 minus root 3, and this way it can also be written as 1 over 2 minus root 3 multiplied by 2 plus root 3 divided by 2 plus root 3. In the same way, the value of y will be simplified as 2 plus root 3. In the same way, we have simplified the value of x. We have simplified the value of y. So now we are going to put these values of x and y into this formula. Let us put these values. 1 over x plus 1 plus 1 over y plus 1 is equal to 1 over, what is the value of x? The value of x is 2 minus root 3. 2 minus root 3 plus 1 is equal to, plus 1 over, what is the value of y? 2 plus root 3 and then this plus 1. Okay, now let's simplify this. This 1 over 2 plus 1 is 3 minus root 3 plus 1 over 2 plus 1 3 minus plus root 3. Now we will solve this expression. This can be solved by taking the LCM, which is 3 minus root 3 and 3 plus root 3. Okay, now we will solve this. This 3 minus 3 will be cancelled. This 3 minus root 3. So the remaining will be 3 plus root 3. We write 3 plus root 3 plus 3 minus root 3. Let's solve this. This 3 and this 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. And this plus 3 plus root 3 and minus root 3, they will be cancelled. So this will be 6 over, now 3 times 3 is 9, 3 times plus 3 is plus 3 root 3, and this minus root 3 times 3 is minus 3 root 3 plus, minus plus is minus, and root 3 times root 3 will be root 3 square. Okay, and this can be written as 6 over 9 plus 3 root 3 minus 3 root 3, they will be cancelled, and this square will be cancelled with the square root, so we get minus 3, and the final answer we get is 6 over 9 minus 3, 6, and it is equal to 1. This is the answer. So the value of expression 1 over x plus 1 plus 1 over y plus 1 is equal to 1. This is the answer. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share the video and subscribe the channel.